pianists they're playing, right? And next coming up, a group of them is going to come and they're going to perform a song. So let's put our hands together and welcome them.
Hello, my name is Kelly. Hello, my name is Annabelle. We're gonna to perform a song entitled named 祝福看耶稣. Hope you enjoy it.
Okay, this is Fiona. Fiona, how old are you? 几多岁啊
5.
5 years old. Do you know that you'll be a very good pianist one day? I see the way you play, oh you, like a dog already. Huh? She plays very well, just that you all cannot see her because it's covered by the songbook. Her hand move here and there. Wow, very good. You play very well, you know not today? No?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.